Hello, so today it looks like it's going to be a really nice day. I've had my second delivery from Yoeleo, which should be the wheels. They're the 29-inch carbon wheels. So they've literally just arrived in the post this morning. We're going to open it up and see what we've got. Again, all very well, nicely packaged. Let's have a look what we've got in here. So, oh, don't know what that is. Yeah, very nicely packaged in there. Again, they feel extremely light. Let's have a look at what we got. Some bits and pieces in there. Okay, these are, I can't remember what the hubs are on here, but they're centre lock discs, very nicely finished. Yeah, they look great, and I like the colouring on there as well. Yoeleo branded again. That's very nice. That's the front wheel. Obviously, we'll be mounting these up and putting the cassette on the back. Yeah, that's a very nice looking wheel set. This is actually the offset one. Okay, I can see it's offset. It looks a bit weird actually. So the idea is that it evens out spoke tensions. And on here I've got the Sapim CX Ray spokes and straight pull. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, well I'll start building these up. Right, okay, the next job is to fit the disc rotor. These are 180mm rotors and they're the centre lock type. So this is the rotor look. I'm going to be careful not to touch the actual rotor itself. So it just slots on to the splines. Then we have a locking ring, which is here. Simply goes on like that, and then we're going to torque it up. I've set this to 35 Newton meters, but I'll be going to 40. There we go, done. Okay, now we're putting the cassette on. So here we go. I think this is an 1132. Okay, you should just be able to get this like that. I'm going to use some anti-seize paste. And just build this up a little bit, and I've got a spacer ring this time as well. Okay, next job is to apply the rim tape. So I've got this, what is it, Velox 22mm stuff. So it's all looking pretty good. Obviously where the valve goes through, you align the hole up. So yeah, looking pretty nice. Okay, time to fit the tyres. Okay, left pedal. That's the front derailleur mounted. Okay, rear derailleur mounting. Tightening torque is 9 Newton meters. Okay, it's time to get the chain fitted, and what I've gone for is a KMC gold chain. So there we go, let's open this up. Okay, first job tonight has been to set the limit screws. So I've set the H limit screw so that the chain just drops onto the smallest sprocket, and I've set the L screw so that the chain just drops onto the highest sprocket, and then I can test this as follows. So just by pushing the derailleur across, that's on the limit stop, low speed on the big cog, and drop it, and it just drops perfectly into the smallest cog. So that's now set the limit screws. I've again gone for a pretty unconventional setup, as I haven't got a bike track stand. I've just roped the bike up so I can get the back wheel off the ground whilst I'm spinning the pedals, so that I can adjust the gearing. Okay, so I've got my rear derailleur cable here and my outer cable I've just cut. What I'm going to do is just grease my line up. Okay, so I'm just cabling up the front mech now. Feed the cable through, put it nice and tight, tighten it up.